Devin here with Patriot Awning Company. I want to thank everybody for checking out our YouTube channel. The likes, the shares, the thumbs up, the love we've been shown, it means so much. We're showing you, we're going to do some drone footage today. This is a shopping center that we completed. This is our AmeriDeck awning system. This is a extruded awning system with overhead 2-inch round supports on top to hold the awning up. 12-inch industrial C-channel fascia and roll form decking. We've got scuppers in the corner for drainage. And wanted to walk this job with you. Like I said, we're going to get the drone up in the air, get some video footage. Now, I'm not as good as certain past presidents at flying drones and droning people, but we'll give it the college try. And you've got a shopping center that you're doing a facade update, or you're coming out of the ground like we did with this one, with a brand new shopping center, give Patriot Awning a call. We can make it look beautiful. Fixed awnings, fabric and metal. We even do retractable awnings. We do these overhead canopies, and we do standing seam canopies and awnings. Check us out online, patriotawning.com. You can book an appointment. You can give us a call. You can email us. Thanks for checking out our video. Have an awesome day.
Bring it again!